Hello and welcome back to Amaka's Healthy Kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, if this is your first time coming across here, you are highly welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your pizza at home. And as you can see, I started by adding about 3 cups of flour inside this bowl. And I just added some yogurt. Yeah, this is what we are going to use to make this pizza dough. I have actually made this in my previous video shorts. I will try and link that video up there. If you haven't watched it, I will just put it up there for you to watch it. So as you can see, I added a good amount of Greek yogurt into the flour, and I just continue to mix them together until it's form a perfect dough. So that was exactly what I did here, and I'm going to link that video up for you to watch. So yeah, that was what I did. So moving ahead, I'm just going to knead the dough and cover it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just to allow it to rest while I'm preparing other things. So but yeah, this is just perfect. So now I'm just going to go ahead and roll this out with my rolling pin, and I'm going to divide them into 2. So my amazing people, yeah, after that I'm just going to transfer them into my pan. Yeah, but before then I'm just going to grease my pan, and then I'll add my pizza dough. Keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and thumbs up this video for more awesome videos to come. Yeah, thank you, and keep on watching, my lovely people. So yeah, again, if you want a detailed video on how to make this pizza dough with Greek yogurt, let me know. No added sugar, no added nothing except this. So yeah, if you want a detailed video, let me know. So after that, I went ahead and put this into the oven just to bake a little bit, just about 5 to 8 minutes, and you can see how it is, like half done. And I'm going to go ahead and add my pizza sauce. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, and after adding my pizza sauce, I'm just going to go ahead and add my prepared mushrooms, and basically all the toppings I'm gonna be using: chicken and some pepperoni.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but hearts are full anyway. Hey, playing like children and love like car and J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, follow my bed. I don't care if loving you over my head. talk to me like breeze, running free, beautiful images everywhere. Yeah. You take a picture of us kissing in cars, it makes my day 10 times better.
Yeah, that is it. I'll be showing you how I prepared the chicken and mushroom. You can see how amazing, how yummy they look. Yeah, that is it. And after that, I'm just going to put this back in the oven to finish baking, and I'm going to leave it for about roughly 5 minutes more. Yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, my lovely people, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye lovelies.
Playing like children and love like RNJ. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to road life, turn